Hello, dear students. Fourth semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Once again, I am here with part 3 of multi-stage amplifier. Myself, Lalit Kumar P. Bhaiya, Associate Professor, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department. Last time, or in last video, we have seen the multi-stage amplifier, the basic concepts of the multi-stage amplifier and the coupling between the two stages of the multi-stage amplifier. As well as in first video, we have seen about the cascade stages of amplifier. This is we have already seen overall voltage gain and this multi-stage amplifier. Till in last video, we have seen about the impedance matching, correct frequency response and DC isolation using multi-stage amplifier. Now we will go this two-stage amplifier. This is resistor capacitor coupling called as the RC coupled amplifier. These are the two stages shown here. This is CE followed by CE, common emitter followed by common emitter. These are the two stages. Each stage has its own gain and it inverts the signal. So the two stage inverts the signal to 360 degree. 180 degree by this transistor and 180 degree by this transistor. So signal will be as it is at the output in amplified version. That means there is a 360 degree phase shift. So this is common emitter with voltage divider bias. Output is taken from the collector and this input is coupled by this capacitor. So this resistance and capacitor is the RC coupling. Again, voltage divider bias at the second stage of the amplifier and output is again taken from the collector. And in both the transistor, bypass capacitors are used in the emitter circuit so that the AC input voltage should not drop across this RE. And we will get the amplifier output at this collector C2. So this is called as two-stage RC coupled amplifier. And this two-stage RC coupled amplifier are mostly used in various of the circuit to amplify the small signals. And this shows the AC equivalent diagram for the two-stage amplifier. Here this is the source voltage which is applied at the first stage and this is the input resistance and this is the input impedance of the first stage. This is the collector current of the first stage. This is collector resistance of the first stage and this is input stage of the second stage. Input impedance, equivalent input impedance of the second stage. This is collector current of the second stage, second transistor. This is collector resistance of the second transistor and finally this is the load resistance connected. So this shows a very simple equivalent AC circuit after grounding the DC. Here the equivalent parameters are shown connected in the two stage. Voltage gain of the first stage. Now Zin, that is input impedance of the second stage, is in parallel with the RC of the first stage. This RC of the first stage is parallel with the input impedance of the second stage. And RC of the first stage is in parallel with the RC of the first stage. Therefore, the collector resistance of the first stage is, we can calculate here, this small RC first stage collector resistance is externally connected RC parallel to input stage impedance of the input stage. This is equivalent load resistor of the first stage and hence voltage gain of the first stage is given by this RC, this small RC upon RE dash. The AC collector resistance of the second stage, again second stage RC externally connected parallel to the load resistance. So RC parallel to RL is the RC of the second stage, and AV2 can be calculated at RC parallel to RL, that is small RC upon RE dash. And the total voltage gain AV is equal to AV1 into AV2. This is general criteria. We can calculate using the H parameter also. This is the example shown here. This is the common emitter configuration. This is also common emitter configuration, where same example is given along with all the values of the resistances. Here all the values of resistance and supply voltage of 10 volt. Problem is something like this. This type of questions may be asked, problems may be asked in the exam also. What is the AC collector voltage in the first stage? Calculate the total voltage gain and the AC voltage across the load resistance of the following circuit. Dear students, here no H parameters are given, so you have to calculate in terms of the general form. Otherwise, if the H parameters are given, then you have to draw the low frequency H parameter model of this transistor and of this transistor, and then draw the AC equivalent circuit, and from which you can calculate the total equivalent load resistance RL dash at the output, input impedance of the second stage, output impedance of the first stage, input impedance of the second stage, overall input impedance of the circuit, and overall output impedance of the circuit, overall voltage gain of both the stages, overall current gain of both the stages, as well as overall voltage gain with this source. So these parameters are to be calculated while solving this example. So consider this example, it is not given the H parameters, so we will go with the general criteria. Here input impedance of the first stage, that is the first base, has to be calculated in the last example which we have seen. The input impedance of the first stage is given by this 10 kilo ohm parallel to 2.2k parallel to 2.27 kilo ohm. These are the two voltage divider resistance, and this is the 1 kilo ohm comes to be. The input signal to the first stage, you can calculate V in is equal to 1 kilo ohm upon 600 ohm plus 1 kilo ohm, 0.625 millivolt. Input impedance of the second stage, you can calculate this one. Similarly, this impedance is the load on the first stage. So AC collector resistance of the first stage, you can calculate like this. Then voltage gain of the first stage is to be calculated. Then the collector voltage in the first stage is AV1 into VI, AV1 into this V in can be calculated using this. Then AC collector resistance of the second stage, that is RC into load resistance, and voltage gain AV2 can be calculated like this. And finally, overall voltage gain of the amplifier is AV1 into AV2 you can calculate. And output voltage, therefore the AC output voltage across the load resistor of the second stage is this V out is equal to AV2 into this VB2, and overall voltage gain of the amplifier is AV1 into AV2. So this 4037 is shown here. This can be calculated. So in general way, we can calculate this all the parameters. Otherwise, using H parameter, you can, for low frequency, you can calculate all these parameters. Thank you very much. Again, we will go in the next video about the coupling of the multi-stage amplifier. Thank you very much. Thank you.